এই ভিডিওটোত আমি আলোচনা কৰিম কালিৰ মই এটা ভিডিও আপলোড কৰিছিলো তাৰ সেট A সেট B সেট C অলৰেডি মই দিলো তাৰ আগতো মই এটা 20টা জিকে কোৱেশ্চন দিছিলো সো আজিৰ এই ভিডিওটোত আমি পাৰ্টিকুলাৰলি ইণ্ডিয়ান পলিটিৰ ওপৰত ডিসকাস কৰিম আৰু ইণ্ডিয়ান পলিটিত মিনিমাম 3টা বা 4টা কোৱেশ্চন সদায় থাকে হিষ্ট্ৰী পলিটি এইবিলাক যিকোনো হেলথৰ এক্সাম হওক বা আসাম কম্পিটিটিভ এক্সাম হওক এইবিলাকত ইণ্ডিয়ান পলিটি হিষ্ট্ৰী এইবিলাক কোৱেশ্চন খুব থাকে আৰু মই চিয়ৰছত ক'ব পাৰোঁ যে ইণ্ডিয়ান পলিটিৰ পৰা কোৱেশ্চন থাকিবই সো আহক আজি এই ভিডিওটোত আমি কেইটামান টোটাল 50টা মই ইণ্ডিয়ান পলিটি কোৱেশ্চন লৈছোঁ নো ডাউট এইটো ভিডিওত সব কভাৰ আপ কৰাটো বহুত অসুবিধা বাট ষ্টিল আমি যিখিনি পাৰোঁ সেইখিনিকে এবাৰ চাওঁ 50টা মই কমন মোষ্ট ফ্ৰিকুৱেণ্টলি আস্কড MCQ ইণ্ডিয়ান পলিটিৰ ওপৰত লৈছোঁ সো আহক এতিয়া এটা এটাকৈ আমি চাই যাওঁ So, প্ৰথম কোৱেশ্চনটো হৈছে the members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by Rajya Sabhar memberবিলাক কেনেধৰণে elected হয় by the people Lok Sabha elected members of the Legislative Assembly or elected members of the Legislative Council. So right answer is option C elected members of the Legislative Assembly. Next question to হৈছে the objective resolution which laid down the main objectives to guide the deliberations of the assembly was moved by option kita hoise Sardar Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, K.M. Munshi or B.R. Ambedkar. Objective resolution boli kola apnalok ona mono rakhibo right option to hoise Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question to hoise the members of the Rajya Sabha are elected for a term of 6 years determined by the state legislative assembly of a state of 4 years or none of the above. So Rajya Sabhar member bilak 6 years or babe they are elected. Next question to hoise question number 4 the president can dismiss a member of the council of ministers on his own on the recommendation of the prime minister only under emergency condition or with the consent of the speaker. So right answer to hoise option B on the recommendation of the prime minister. Next question to hoise এই কোৱেশ্চনটোত কেইবাটাও কোৱেশ্চন হুমাইছে আনসাৰ হুমাইছে মন কৰিব কোৱেশ্চনটোত কৈছে যে নেশনাল ফ্ল্যাগ was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947 so ইয়াতে আমি এটা উলিয়াব পাৰো যে আমাৰ ইণ্ডিয়ান ফ্ল্যাগখন কেতিয়া এডপ্টেড কৰিছিল by the Constituent Assembly on 22nd July 1947 and was presented to the nation at the midnight ketia present কৰিছিল midnight session of the assembly on 14 August 1947 on behalf of the minorities of India, the National Integration Council, the women of India or the people of India. And the right answer is option C, the women of India. Next question to hoise the national anthem was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Rabindranath Tagore, Sharat Chandra Chatterjee, Aurobindo Ghosh. Ya huto uttortu hoise Rabindranath Tagore aru Bankim Chandra Chatterjee national song to likhisile jitu amar Bande Mataram. Next question to hoise the objective resolution was unanimously adopted by the Constituent Assembly on just ami eta sai aisilu je 22 January 1947. Important question bar etu frequently question hude. The Muslim League was, as a political party was founded in 1906, 1909, 1915 or 1919. So right answer is option A 1906. Next question to hoise kisuma article our Indian politics খুব important article আৰু কিছুমান amendment খুব important amendment. Tare important article ভিতৰত এটো এটা important article. Which article in the Indian Constitution provides for the post of Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Keteba CAG full meaning of hude. So here huto answer to hoise article 148. Option kita hoise 148, 343, 266, 248. So right option is article 148 deals with CAG. Next CAG aru eta question hoise who appoints the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Prime Minister, Chief Justice of India, President or Vice President. So huto uttortu hoise President option C. যেতিয়া আমি CAG চাইছো তো আৰু এটা কোৱেশ্চন মই এড কৰি দিছো Current CAG of India কোন হয় Sasikant Sharma, Sri Girish Chandra Murmu, Binod Rai or VN Kaul. So right answer is Murmur. Option B, Murmur, Sri Girish Chandra Murmur. Which of the following articles states about the establishment of the Supreme Court? Article 176, 154, 122, 124 or Article 324. Supreme Court or logot A article to important. Article 124. So C is the right answer. Next question to is K.M. Munshi was related to Constitution Draft Committee, Preamble Committee, Public Accounts Committee or none of the above. যেতিয়া আমাৰ কনস্টিটিউশন খন বনিছিলে তেতিয়া এখন ড্ৰাফট কমিটি এখন বহিছিল কনস্টিটিউশন ড্ৰাফট কমিটি সো কে এম মুন্সি ৰিলেটেড টু অপশন এ নেক্সট কোৱেশ্চন টো হৈছে হোৱাট ইজ দ্য ট্ৰু মিনিং অফ সেকুলাৰ সেকুলাৰ ট্ৰু মিনিং টো কি হয় ইয়াৰ অপশন কিটা দিছে all religions are equal in the eyes of the government special importance to a religion related to minorities one religion is promoted by the government or none. So right option is option A. Option A to hoise uttor. Article 368 is related to खूब important question, most important question. एटो केबा बरो exam ot आइसे आपनोला एकदम मुखस्त राखि लबो. Article 368 deals with constitutional amendment, Supreme Court article आमी चाइसिलो, center state relation or none. So here uttor to hoise option A, constitutional amendment. खूब important question एटो आपनोलके size about 368 article. Next question to is which of the following constitution amended the age of voting from 21 to 18 51st 48 61 or 86 it is an important constitution amendment so it mone rakhibo so your answer to is 61st. Which article of the Indian Constitution says that there shall be a president article to important article 61 62 52 or 74 so right option is article 52. In which of the following article provision of national emergency is mentioned? Article 356 352 360 or 365 so right option is article 352 deals with national emergency. Next question to say in which part of the Indian Constitution the DPSP are mentioned. So part 2, part 3, part 4 or part 5. So right answer is part 4. DPSP have been taken from the Constitution of Britain, Canada, America or Ireland. My sources of Indian Constitution are tips and tricks dislo that আপোনালোকে এবাৰ চাই লব. So এখন হৈছে Ireland বা Irish বুলিও কয়. So right option D. Next question to hoise the elements of the DPSP are explained in the article. Kunkhini article of DPSP বিষয়ে আলোচনা কৰা হৈছে from 36 to 51 from 12 to 35 from 5 to 11 or none. So option A is the right answer 36 to 51. Next question to hoise who said this statement? A flag is not only a symbol of our independence but also the freedoms of all people. Kune koisile kothakar? Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, ba Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So right option is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question to is who designed the current national flag of India? It is very important national flag of India. Sachendra Prasad Bose, Sukumar Mitra, Pingali Venkaya, Sarojini Naidu. So option C is the right answer, Pingali Venka. Etu agote khub ahise question to. Next question to is which statement is not true about the India's national flag? Kuntu shuddho nohoy. The ratio of the length and width of the flag is 2:3. Etue bhul karon amar etu ratio to hoise 3:2, not 2:3. So option A is the right answer. Next question to is what is the meaning of white color used in the national flag? Sacrifice, truth and purity of thoughts, prosperity of life or none of the above. So right answer is B, truth and purity of thoughts. Next question to is under which article did the Supreme Court declare the right to hoist national flag as a fundamental right? Article 91 1, Article 14, Article 18, Article 21. So right option is option A, Article 19 1. 19 subclause 1 বুলি ক'ব. Which of the following committee recommended for Panchayati Raj system in India? Most important question, बहुत बार আহিছে এইটো question, most repeated question. Panchayat Samiti, Balwan Rai Mehta Committee, Singhvi Committee, or none of the above. So right option is Balwan Rai Mehta Committee. Panchayati system kuntu schedule ase? Schedule 11 aru act amendment act ase 73rd amendment act. Next question to is how many tiers are in the Panchayati Raj system? Sobe jane tinita 3-tier system, Gram Panchayat, Anchalik, then Jilla Parishad. Next question to is which of the following article is related to Panchayati Raj? Article 243, Article 324, Article 124, or Article 73. So right option is Article 243 is the right option. Next, which schedule was added to the Constitution by the 73rd Constitutional Amendment? Moi olop agote koi golo 11th schedule. 73rd Amendment Act 11th schedule Panchayati Raj. Next question to say at present how many fundamental duties are in the constitutions of India? So right option is 11. Next question to say which of the following committee advocated the fundamental duties in the constitution? Burma Committee, Sakaria Committee, Balwan Rai Mehta Committee, or Swaran Singh Committee? So option D is the right option. Answer Swaran Singh Committee. It was a खूब important question. Which constitutional amendment act was passed to provide compulsory education to children between 6 and 14 years? Option kita hoise 82, 83rd, 86th, or 84th. So right answer is hoise Huto 86th Amendment Act. Next question to hoise which one of the following articles deals with the appointment of Prime Minister and other ministers? Article 76, 74, 75, or Article 72. So answer to is Article 75. Option C. The Supreme Court of India at present contains the following number of judges. At present kiman judges is 25, 33, 20, or 30. So correct option to is option B, 33 judges. Who among the following appoints the Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court? Prime Minister, Vice President, Home Minister, or President? So right option to is President. Option D is the right answer. Next question to is who is the current Chief Justice of India? Iblak question खूब important. Notalapati Venkata Ramana, Sarath Arvind Bobde, Ranjan Gogoi, or none? So right answer to is Ramana. Venkata Ramana is the right answer. Present Chief Justice of India. Which of the following is called mini constitution? खूब important question इटो आगतो केबाबारो हुदिसे आमी कोनतो amendment of mini constitution বুলি কওঁ Government of India Act 1935, 42nd Constitutional Amendment, or 44th or Government of India Act 1919. So right answer to is 42nd Constitutional Amendment. Next question to is how many members are there in Public Accounts Committee? 22, 15, 7, or 10. So right option to is 22. Next question to is the function of the desk committee is to examine the estimates included in the budget and suggest economies in public expenditure. Line to pohote apanaloke gom paise je to estimate boli koise. So huto answer to is estimate committee. Ki committee thake Public Accounts Committee, Rules Committee, Ethics Committee, Estimate Committee. Actually Polity Public Accounts Committee to important or Estimate Committee important. Or yar answer to is option C, Estimate Committee is the right answer. Next question to is which article of the Indian Constitution has the provision of Finance Commission? Bahut important. Kebabaro ahise etu question agote Finance Commission article. Article 275, Article 280, Article 265, or Article 360. So huto is Article 280. Next question to is how many number of members are nominated by the President to the Rajya Sabha? 20, 18, 12, or 15. So right option to is 12. The parliamentary system of government is in India is taken from corpora hoise Canada, UK, America or Australia. So udo to hoise option B, UK. Mo sources of Indian Constitution aro schedule of Indian Constitution ebo keneke ki pohibo tips bilang moi disilo আপোনালোকে যিসকল ব্যক্তি চোৱা নাই ভিডিওটো এবাৰ go through কৰি লব Next question to is the salary and allowances of the ministers of the government of India are determined by Prime Minister, President, Council of Ministers or Parliament. So to is a Parliament option D. Next question to is who said that the cabinet is the pivot around which the whole political machinery revolves. Pivot means important. Sir John Marriott, Dr. Ambedkar, W. Churchill, Jawaharlal Nehru. So to is a option A, Sir John Marriott. Next question to is which article of the Indian Constitution says that India shall have a vice president. So to is option D, Article 63. Next question to is which of the following vice president was elected unopposed? S. Radhakrishnan, R. Venkataraman, B. V. Giri or none of the above. So to is S. Radhakrishnan. Next question to is who among the following has never been vice president of India? Jaswant Singh, Shankar Dayalal Sharma, Zakir Hussain, B. D. Jatti. So answer to is option A, Jaswant Singh. Next question to is which of the following constitutional amendments equipped president to impose national emergency on any particular part of India? 38, 40, 42nd or 62. So answer to is 42nd constitutional amendment. It was 42nd. So option C will be the right answer. Next question to is if the announcement of the national emergency has been approved by both the houses of parliament, how long will it be effective? Kiman dinolege thakibo? 1 month, 2 months, 6 months or 3 months. So right option is option C, 6 months. So ekini asel video to most important 50 polity question aro question ase moi lahe lahe dim apunaloko. So ekini bortoman apnaloke revise kori thakok. Agor video to sabo ebar moi important GK question dislo set A, set B, set C. Aru tar agote eta moi GK 20 ta question or dislo important most frequently asked. So video to jodi bhal pai titiale like koribo, share koribo, subscribe koribo na pahoribo aru ene dhoroner notun video banabole mok hodai motivation dibo. So thank you so much for watching the video.